Self-improvement means working on yourself to become a better version of who you are. It's the process of identifying your weaknesses, setting personal goals, and taking steps to improve different areas of your life. These areas could include your mindset, habits, health, relationships, skills, or even your daily routine. The journey of self-improvement starts with self-awareness. This means understanding your thoughts, emotions, and behavior. When you know what's holding you back, you can start to change it. Self-improvement is not about being perfect, it's about growing step by step. Even small positive changes can lead to big results over time. For example, reading a few pages every day can build knowledge. Waking up a little earlier can give you more time to focus on your goals. One important part of self-improvement is setting goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to get lost or lose motivation. Your goals should be realistic, specific, and measurable. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," say, "I will walk for 30 minutes every day." Another key part is building good habits. Habits shape our daily lives. Good habits like exercising, meditating, or planning your day can boost your productivity and confidence. At the same time, getting rid of bad habits can free up your time and energy. Learning is also a big part of self-improvement. Whether you're learning new skills, reading books, or listening to podcasts, you're giving yourself the tools to grow. Remember, self-improvement takes time. There will be ups and downs. But the most important thing is to stay consistent. Don't give up if things get tough. Keep going, even if progress feels slow. Lastly, self-improvement is personal. What works for one person may not work for another. Focus on your own journey. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to someone else. In the end, self-improvement is a lifelong journey.